Da, 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 da.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's vlog. By the time this vlog is going up, it's New Year, so happy New Year guys, happy 2021. And I hope that this new year brings you guys glad and new tidings. May all your dreams come true this year. May this year be better for each and every one of us, okay? Okay guys, so I'm seriously excited right now because my new laptop is finally here. Mia is more excited than I am, guys. He's actually more excited than me. Let me give you guys a little backstory on this laptop, yeah? I told you guys in like my recent vlogs that my brother sent me, you know, a bunch of stuff from the US, and some of it came by air, which we received some months ago, and some of them came by ocean. Ocean, yes, just like my laptop. It was meant to take 9 weeks. 9 weeks. This thing was sent out first week in September, and this is the last day of December, and I am just getting it, guys. Like, ridiculous. But we are never using that service again, most definitely. I'm sure there are other ways to ship stuff to Nigeria from Obodoyibo without waiting for years and years and years. But yes guys, I'm so excited about my new laptop. I'm not even put the laptop yet though, and I'm already dancing like this. But I'm so excited because let me give you guys a backstory. Let me tell you a little secret, okay? For the past, we're in 2021 right now, Abby. So roughly for the past 4-ish, 5 years, I have been doing YouTube. I have been using my husband's laptop. Yes, I have been borrowing Jesse's laptop for the past 4 years plus to do YouTube, guys. In fact, when I went to Asaba, you guys saw my Asaba vlogs. Everything I vlogged in Asaba, I vlogged with my phone, guys. I vlogged with my phone, edited on my phone, and uploaded with my phone while in Asaba, because I couldn't take the laptop with me to Asaba because, of course, Oga had work to do. He had photographs to edit and all of that, so there was no way I could take his laptop with me to Asaba. But I am happy to announce that all that is coming to an end. No more borrow posing, right babe? I will no more be borrowing your own laptop. I now have my own. So guys, without further ado, and without wasting plenty of your time, let's get right into unboxing this package, okay? I'm super excited. Let's go. You like unboxing, mama? Oh, more wrapping, Jesus Christ. First thing, hey! This one is for Jesse. This is his editing pad for editing pictures, yeah? Oh, there you go. Oh, yes, there we go. Melba's airport. Mama, can you excuse me, please, young lady? This is for your auntie Melba. This is my turntable for my videography, for product videography starting this year. I can't wait, guys. It's a mirror turntable and I can't wait to start using this. So Pixels by Alma is gonna go a different route this year, okay? I love how it was packaged. Oh, the MacBook Pro. I don't even know what year this MacBook is, so 2015? I don't even know. I don't even care. Ooh. When I unboxed the last package that we received, I showed you guys this casing. Yeah, I showed you guys this casing that we ordered as well to go with the laptop. So I'm going to try the casing on the laptop right now and see how it fits. Because you know I'm a pink girl. I love my pink. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. Oh, it's so cute. It just transformed this laptop right now. Ah, yes, I like it. I don't think I'm going to be using this one though. This is the keyboard cover. Oh, but oh, I like how it just transforms the entire laptop into, yeah, it just transformed the entire laptop into like a pink laptop. Wow, guys, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. Like, my laptop is so girly. Ah! It was so worth the wait, honestly. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bring it up close so you guys can see. Look at that glitter. This year started on a very good note, okay? So here's some more content coming your way, guys. More content on YouTube and more content on everywhere that I put out content. I'm so excited.
The next day.
So hi guys, good morning. What is today's date? Today is the 4th of January. And I have literally been doing nothing since I got back to Abuja. Well, not like I've been doing nothing, but I haven't like created content since I got back, except for when I unboxed my laptop. You guys saw that in the previous clips. I haven't really done much. That's because I've also been very overwhelmed with house duties and all of that. And that is because my help is not back. She was supposed to come back yesterday, but she's not back, guys. She says she's sick. Whether she's actually telling the truth or she's lying, I don't know. But she said she's sick, and I've told her not to come back until she's fully recovered. I don't know how long that would take, whether it's going to be another few days from now or 1 week from now. Quite frankly, I don't know. But yeah, so of course the bulk of house chores and duties and all of that have been on me, to be quite frank, which is not, I don't want to say it's not a lot, but because I like my space and my house a certain way, I tend to do more than anybody else would usually do. So I guess that's why it's really stressful for me, because I must sweep and mop on a daily basis. I just like my house clean, okay? So yeah, I guess that's where I'm different. I don't know. But yeah, guys, so that's what I've been up to, guys. That's just a little update there, just in case you guys are wondering. I've been enjoying my new laptop, guys. See, I told you guys in those last clips where I was unboxing, or rather before I unboxed, I told you guys that I have been sharing laptop with Jessie for the past how many years. You guys don't know how it feels to just have your own. Not like I didn't have a laptop, but my laptop was really old. It was a Sony, it's still existing. It's a Sony laptop, and I got it back in 2012, and it's a Windows laptop. And see it, it's just the experience of using an Apple product, like using a MacBook. Once you use a MacBook, trust me, you will never go back to Windows. You will never go back to Windows. So I just got so used to using a MacBook to edit my videos and to just do my things in general, that going back to my laptop to do anything was not even feasible, one. And then two, the laptop was already old and it started to hang, and even after I formatted it countless times, it just wouldn't stop hanging, and I hate it when it does that. So yeah, I just dumped that laptop, and I was using Jesse's. I was sharing Jesse's own with him all this time, like since 2016 basically. So it feels so good once again to finally have my own laptop, and the case just makes it look a lot more beautiful and nice and everything. Yeah, so yeah, I'm so excited about it. I haven't edited any video on it, obviously. I haven't put out a video this year yet, but yeah, I'm just beginning to get my mojo back for this new year, and I'm going to start editing this particular vlog on it, like maybe today, yeah, to see how the experience is. And yesterday I was at Miniso and I picked up these headphones. They are so cute, guys. They are these pink headphones for me to just use to edit my videos or watch videos on my laptop, and it goes so well with the laptop, like the whole pink vibe. I know, guys, I'm extra, but yes, that was why I actually got pink, and I really love it. Just in case you're wondering, this is a MacBook Pro 2016, I think. I can't remember. MacBook Pro is like way more professional than a MacBook Air, so I didn't want a MacBook Air. I definitely wanted something that would last me for a long time. But yeah, I got this package while I was away. While I was in Asaba, I got this package from Mayrush online. So they sent it to me, and Jessie took receipts of it. They sent me a nice dress. I haven't even worn this dress yet, guys, but let me just show you guys what it looks like. I love it, guys. You guys know me and my Ankara. I don't play. I don't play with my Ankara, and this fabric is so pretty. When they asked me to select one of their outfits for them to send to me as a gift, this one just spoke to me on their page. I just loved the fact that they paired two different. Look, I'm a sucker for mixing prints, especially mixing Ankara prints. So when I saw this particular dress, I knew I had to have it. It was so cute, and it's a loose dress, which I really like. So yeah, the back has like an open detail thing. I can't wait to wear this, and you guys will probably see it on my Instagram when I do wear it. Thank you so much again to May Rush. Then while I was in Asaba, I went to visit my godmother, and my godmother has 3 kids, and 2 of them got married last year. She gave me like their souvenir bag, one of them's souvenir bags. Yeah, so, and I was really like impressed with what was inside the souvenir bag. I got this in the bag. Let me show you guys. Look at that. So cute. Live every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words. I love it, and I'm thinking about where to hang this in my living room. I think it'll go so well, especially because we are still decorating. And then there are also this stuff in the bag as well. These are called scented sachets. I never knew that something like this actually existed. I know about scented candles, I know about scented other things, but I didn't know that there was something called scented sachets. And they both smell so nice. This one is in the scent white cotton, and then this one is in the scent Venice. Yeah, and they smell so divine. So I'm going to just look for where to place them, maybe in my living room or somewhere. And then also in the bag is this inspirational calendar. I love this kind of calendars because it doesn't matter what year it is, it would always suffice. And I already have one of these that Jessie got for me while we were still dating. I still use it till today. But yes, that's what is in here. This one says treasures and truths of a hope-filled life. So nice. It just makes so much sense that this bag didn't have like the regular stuff you would see in wedding souvenir bags. You get? No.
If you leave her there, she will not give you. She like everything sharp. She doesn't want to share anything with anybody. You cannot finish the whole thing. You don't want her to say by mistake. Anybody collect the thing from her. Oh my God. Sister, you will not kill me. I'm not going to fight today on top this capriccio.
Stop fighting. You guys are supposed to be sisters. Oh, don't cry. Mama, you finished it now.
The next day.
Hi. How are you? Look at mommy. Say hi. How are you? You're so pretty, mama. You're so gorgeous. We need to decor with that, mama. That's for decorating. What are you trying to do, young lady? Sweetie, boo-boo. You're so cute. Gosh. Gosh. Say hi again. Hi again. Sweetness. Whew. You're tired. What work have you done today? Since today began, which work you don't do that you are tired? Every time I'm tired, I'm tired, I'm tired. Which work have you done that you are tired, young lady? You are tired of what? All you've done since you woke up this morning is eat and play. So which work have you done today that is making you tired? I love you. You.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name.
later.
So guys, I just finished having that lovely, delicious pasta. So yeah, I think I'll just end today's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching my very first vlog of 2021. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, please, can I talk? Please. If you enjoyed watching, please thumbs up the video, subscribe. See, this new year, we are not going to be doing you watch and you don't subscribe. I wish there was like an app that can track those who watch and don't subscribe. But please, 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 please. She's begging you, please. Can you hear that? So please subscribe. If you are not yet subscribed already, leave me a comment down below as always. Share as always. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Say bye. Bye.
But I want to get to know